Hello, in front of me I've got Bose Flex SoundLink. In this video I'll show you how to manually change language of the speaker. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the speaker and simultaneously press and hold multifunctional button and decrease volume button.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
Now use plus and minus button to switch language.
Espagnol, Français, Deutsch, 中文，要日本語、韓語、Italiano, Português, Svenska, Nederlands, Ruski, Język polski.
English. To
Press and
select
hold
English,
multifunctional
press and
button
hold the multifunction.
to confirm. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.